All right, guys, 2023 Ford Ranger. Ranger Danger. Is that a Ford Ranger?
Ford Ranger. I know this truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck.
I like the new look of these. They're so much beefier than the old ones. I hope they're going to be as reliable as the old ones because those things were indestructible. This is the Lariat, so it's fully loaded, guys. Look at this thing. It's really nice. I like everything about it. Aerodynamic and everything. Look at that. Nice. Let me show you guys what we did on it. So it's the EcoBoost 4-cylinder, factory converter there, flex pipe there, then 3-inch pipe. Then what we put on it's a Vibrant Resonator duals. So there's the Vibrant muffler, part number right here, 1793. Added a Y pipe in and 2 custom bent tailpipes out the back to make it all fit because there was a lot of obstacles, as you guys can see there. We custom bent the whole thing. And he had a trailer hitch on it, so we really had to custom bend it. So you guys can see it's a tight squeeze, but we made it work and make it fit there and there. Look at that. All the way back. Guys outdid themselves as usual. Looks really nice, really clean. There it is. Ford Ranger EcoBoost 4-cylinder. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And here's the muffler, resonator, and tip that was on. So we took all that off and replaced it with this beautiful thing and finished it off with roll tips too, guys. There'll be a link in the description for the roll tips and there'll be a link in the description for the Vibrant. Perfect. Yeah, that Vibrant sounds perfect on it. Your sound decibels again. Oh, right at 95. That's perfect. You approve?
Yes, sir.
Yes? All right. As long as the guy approves, the customer approves, we approve. There's the old exhaust guys on it. And it looks good too.
It does.
Yeah.
I like how they got it.
Yeah, on the edges. It's got that Raptor look to it, you know?
Yeah.
Because that trailer hitcher that's on it is wide, man.
I've seen it. They showed it to me.
Yeah. That's what took them longer to do it, to customize it. It's nothing crazy loud. We don't always have to make them crazy loud. We make them quiet too and clean. The exhaust Addicts guys outdid themselves on this one. Let me know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
This is what it looks like inside.
Is that a Ford Ranger? Yes, it is. I think that is the perfect tone for this truck. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look at this thing fly for a 4-cylinder. Wow. Enjoy, guys.